Here are some highlights about Brookgreen Gardens in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. It is a floral jewel of South Carolina's coast, located north of Charleston and south of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The 9,127-acre property preserves historic sites, natural and cultivated landscapes. The Brookgreen collection contains over 2,000 works by 430 artists. Recently named one of the top 10 botanical gardens in America and the recipient of the 2019 Garden Excellence Award. Brookgreen is the finest outdoor museum of its type in the world and contains the largest and most comprehensive collection of American figurative sculpture in the country. In addition to all the wonderful gardens and ancient live oak trees, fountains, vistas, there are also trails, a native animal collection, a children's garden, a pollinator garden, a labyrinth, a small butterfly house, and a gift shop and cafe. Be sure to experience the most beloved holiday event in the Southeast, Nights of 1,000 Candles, where Brookgreen Gardens comes to life amid the soft glow of more than 2,700 hand-lit candles and millions of sparkling lights. From 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m., walk the paths and warm up with a cup of cider and hear the sounds of holiday music and celebrate the season with family and friends. Named Best Christmas Lights in South Carolina by Travel and Leisure magazine, be sure to purchase your tickets starting in the end of November throughout the end of December 2023. Admission is reasonably priced and open daily 9:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Holiday hours may be different. Daily general admission tickets are for 7 consecutive days. We only had 1 day, that's all we had time for, but we definitely do recommend more than 1 day. The Sparkle and Fun package includes a glass of wine or cider and a set of holographic glasses that will make the lights at Brookgreen Gardens even more festive. Some other things here, they do have dining. The Harvest offers full lunch menu with soup, salads, and sandwiches and desserts. Wi-Fi is accessible. Open 10 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. There are 2 designated picnic areas. There are shopping areas for keepsakes. Accessibility, it is wheelchair accessible. There are areas for children. There's a children's storybook forest, and the children's sensory trail are great for kids. Photography is permitted for personal use. Pets are not permitted. Only service animals that have been specially trained are welcome. The sculptures at Brookgreen Gardens are works of fine art and are not meant to be touched or climbed on or sat on. Animals in the area, they ask that you do not feed them. They are on special diets, of course. Mike and I really enjoyed this place, Brookgreen Gardens. It is spectacular. We highly recommend it any time of year. If you do go during the summer, be sure and take plenty of water and comfortable walking shoes, of course. It is like a little piece of heaven on earth. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.